15 plant shelf ideas we love to show off your greenery. If you're looking for a creative way to showcase all of your greenery, so they have their own space to shine in your home, look no further. Whether you're looking to dress up your walls, repurpose a standard bookshelf, or take on a DIY project, there's an option for you below. You're going to want to incorporate a plant shelf in every room of your home after swooning over all of these well-styled setups. Read on to gain inspiration from these 15 plant shelf ideas. 1. Fill the top of your shelf with hanging plants. If you're looking to jazz up your plant shelf, finish it off with some oversized hanging plants at the top. They'll add major drama to your display and will be able to keep growing. Soon, you'll have a beautiful trellis trailing down. 2. Style a hexagon plant shelf. Take one hexagon plant shelf or a bunch, as seen here, and place a plant pot or some cute succulents inside for an eye-catching effect. You can keep building out a display like this one as much as you'd like. 3. Try a tiered plant shelf. A tiered setup makes it easy to showcase plant pots of various sizes in an organized manner. This setup proves that there's no such thing as too small of a nook for a plant display. 4. Make an L shape to decorate a corner. Transform an empty corner nook into a plant haven by installing a few rows of shelving in an L-shaped pattern to really maximize the space available. Incorporate various planters, different colors and shapes to create a whimsical ambience. 5. Opt for a hanging plant shelf or DIY your own. A hanging plant shelf is unexpected and full of charm. Whether you DIY your own or go the store-bought route, you can't go wrong. This beaded beauty is excellent for those who love textures and neutral palettes. 6. Turn a bookshelf into a plant shelf. Not fully using your bookshelf, make it a plant shelf instead. You can use coffee table books, picture frames, and other accent pieces to fill any leftover space. This will help bring in your home's aesthetic throughout, so it creates a cohesive look. 7. Transform your windowsill into a plant shelf. You may not even need to buy a shelf if your windowsill is spacious enough to accommodate an assortment of potted plants. Your green friends will appreciate having plenty of access to sunlight at all times. 2. 8. Add a shelf behind the sofa. Don't let that area behind your sofa go to waste. Hang a plant shelf there and fill it up with all kinds of green friends to keep your collection going. 9. Repurpose an everyday object. Get crafty by repurposing an old guitar and turning it into a funky plant shelf. It'll be an instant conversation starter and you'll be giving an unused piece a new life. 10. Get angular. There's no reason you can't experiment with an angular shelf like this one. Its setup allows for potted plants, as well as hanging planters to shine all at the same time. 11. Jazz up your sink area. Given how much time you spend in the kitchen, you may as well add a plant or a couple dozen to the space. Make use of empty wall space above the sink and fill it with plant pots galore. Watering has never been easier, either, given the nearby faucet. 12. Mount your shelf to the wall. To save on floor space, mount your plant shelf to the wall. You can DIY a wooden shelf of your own and paint it a fun color for some added flair. Break out the stencils, leftover fabric, and wallpaper to dress yours up further. 13. Fill an empty corner in any room. Give a neglected corner an affordable transformation by filling it with plants. Green friends will add life and color to your space and will only grow more beautiful over time. 14. Decorate with a theme. If you're unsure where or how to start, try choosing a theme. Here, plants and face-themed pieces live in perfect harmony. 15. Keep the plants going on the floor. Fill the floor area surrounding your plant shelves with larger pots to achieve an extra lush look. It's hard to tell where this bookshelf ends and where the additional plants begin. Looking for creative ways to display your plants? Check out these 15 beautiful plant shelf ideas to elevate your indoor greenery game. From minimalist designs to vibrant, lush displays, these ideas will inspire you to create the perfect plant sanctuary at home. Perfect for small spaces, apartments, or enhancing your home decor with a touch of nature.